Abura Soba, Japanese Soupless Ramen.
Ingredients: 160 grams, 2000 milliliters water, half a teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1½ tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half a teaspoon chili oil, 1 pinch chicken stock powder, half a teaspoon sugar, 3 tablespoons chopped spring onion, 3 tablespoons ground white sesame, 6 pieces of chashu, 2 boiled eggs, 6 bamboo shoots, 6 nori seaweed sheets. Instructions: pour 2000 milliliters of cold water into a large pot with half a teaspoon of salt and bring to the boil. Once it's boiling, add 1 tablespoon baking soda. Add the ramen noodles and boil for 2 minutes more than it says on the packaging. While you're waiting for your noodles to cook, mix 2 tablespoons oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1½ tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, half a teaspoon chili oil, pinch of chicken stock powder and half a tbsp of sugar together to make the sauce. Pour the sauce into 2 large bowls ready for the ramen later. The sauce sits at the bottom of the bowl and then you mix everything together before eating. Soupless Ramen Abura Soba sauce in a B. Mix 3 tablespoons chopped spring onion and 3 tablespoons of ground white sesame together in a bowl. Soupless Ramen Abura Soba spring onion and sesame. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain the water out and lay it on top of the sauce in the 2 serving bowls. Arrange the chashu, boiled eggs, bamboo shoots and nori around the edges of the bowl. Sprinkle the spring onion, sesame seed mix into the middle of the bowl. Soupless Ramen Abura Soba assembling. Serve up and enjoy.